Welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into the world of dropshipping. Specifically, we'll explore the highly lucrative strategy of two-step dropshipping from Walmart to Amazon. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to tap into this method and unlock your e-commerce potential. So let's get started. So before we get into the nitty-gritty and the details, let's quickly address why two-step dropshipping is a game changer. It allows you to leverage the vast inventory of a retail giant like Walmart while tapping into the massive customer base of Amazon. The two-step process saves you from managing your own inventory, shipping, and warehousing. It is a win-win scenario, and two-step dropshipping is compliant with Amazon's terms of service, so your account will not get suspended or deactivated. So the key to success in any dropshipping, especially two-step dropshipping, is finding profitable products. Start by researching popular items on Walmart that have a price advantage compared to Amazon. Items that you can resell on Amazon at a markup. Look for products with a good sales history and positive customer reviews. Tools like Jungle Scout, TerraPeak, SellerAmp, SourceMogul, and Keepa can help you identify the best-selling products. Now, there are a few softwares that are very important when you are two-step dropshipping from Walmart to Amazon. One is Web Scraper app, the other is Informed. These softwares make sure that you are not selling products that Walmart has run out of stock on, or you are not selling products below the prices that you need to in order to make a profit. The next step is listing items. You do that through Web Scraper app. The items are transferred to Informed automatically via API. It's very easy, very seamless to do. Now the only thing left to do is wait for orders. When an order comes in from a customer on Amazon, you will go place the order on Walmart. Rather than having the item shipped directly to the customer, as with traditional dropshipping, with two-step dropshipping, you stay in compliance with Amazon's terms of service by having the item shipped to our warehouse. We will then receive the item, repackage the item, make sure you are the seller on record, which is required by Amazon, and ship it to your customer. So what happens after you place the order on Walmart? Well, we will track its progress from Walmart to our warehouse and then to the customer. It will arrive at the customer with no clue that it originally came from Walmart. The only thing left for you to do is scale your business. Analyze the performance of the products, identify top sellers, and consider expanding your catalog as quickly or as slowly as you would like. And there you have it, the power of two-step dropshipping from Walmart to Amazon. By combining the vast resources of these e-commerce giants, you can build a profitable online business without the burden of inventory management. Remember, success comes with dedication, consistent research, and a commitment to excellent customer service. So get started. For more information, make sure to go to our website, PoochiesPack.com, or email us at PoochiesPack@gmail.com.